Okay, so in the previous lecture, we talked about realism. Now, right here, we are going to talk about satire in general. So, satire is a genre of the visual, literary, and performing arts that uses humor to criticize and expose the vices, flaws, and absurdities of the individuals and society. However, with the aim of improvement and positive changes. So, you must not neglect improvement and positive changes because although satire is usually meant to be humorous, its great purpose is often constructive social criticism, using wit to draw attention to both particular and wider issues in society. So, the latter and improvement both go side by side. So, the rules of satire are such that it must do more than make you laugh. Laughter is not necessary for satire. Some satire isn't meant to be funny. Also, not all humorous content, even if it's about serious topics like politics, religion, or art, is satire. Just because it uses irony, parody, or burlesque doesn't mean it's satirical. Let us make it more clear. Even light-hearted satire has a serious aftertaste. The organizers of the Ig Nobel Prize describe this as first make people laugh and then make them think. So laugh and think both are obligatory. Prominent feature of satire is strong irony, and irony in its broadest sense is the juxtaposition of what on the surface appears to be the case and what is actually the case. It typically figures as a rhetorical device and literary technique. So, satire and irony in some cases have been regarded as the most effective source to understand a society. They provide the keenest insight into a group's collective psyche, reveal its deepest values and tastes, and the society's structures of powers. Some authors have even regarded satire as superior to non-comic and non-artistic disciplines like history or anthropology. In a prominent example from ancient Greeks, philosopher Plato, when asked by a friend for a book to understand Athenian society. So, for understanding Athenian society, Plato referred him the plays of Aristophanes. And that is what you can see the power of satire, that Plato recommended the plays of Aristophanes. In the upcoming lectures, we are going to talk about Restoration satire and Dryden as the greatest satirist of the age.